we're talking about from one league to another IPL that also has a mega auction this year. Do you think there's going to be a lot of excitement around it because there's already so much buzz, top players, people talking about where they're going to go, which team is eyeing which player. So how are you looking at the IPL auction? Do you think there are going to be some big moves, Rohit Sharma maybe?
A lot of things will happen. I think I was lucky, played so many years with CSK. Then I was a captain of the Gujarat Lions. I never had that feeling whether I play again for CSK, whether I play for Gujarat. I think it's sometime being a security. I think, as you said, I think important to have a solid mindset. But I think a lot of change gonna be there. KL Rahul, where he's going, he might go back to Bangalore. He might go back to Punjab. He might play for Lucknow. And congratulations, Zahir Khan. He became a coach for the Lucknow Super Giant. And it's going to be amazing too. As you said, Rohit Sharma might come in auction or they might retain him. And biggest sawal will be like MS Dhoni might play and cap player or how they're going to change a lot of auction because they're going to do the auction for 3 years. So it's very important for the owner to decide whether they go with a youngster. And I think it's going to be amazing to see what they're going to do.
And talking about Indian cricket, we have a series to look forward to versus Bangladesh. How are you looking at that? Bangladesh has recently beaten Pakistan as well. How are you looking at Team India? Do you think they're going to change something or do you think it's going to be the same team?
I think first of all, BCI has done it remarkably well. Everyone is playing the Dilir Trophy. So when you're used to it with the red ball, because we haven't played the red ball since the World Cup, I think before that we were playing IPL. So I think it's going to be very important how you're going to tackle with the spin attack, how you're going to tackle your fourth stump. Sometimes when you play the test, you need to just have a lot of patience. And I think India has a very, very strong team and good to have Virat Kohli back and Rohit Sharma is a captain. So it's going to be amazing. But you can't, as you said, I think they have won against Pakistan and they have beaten Pakistan in their home soil. And Pakistan is a very, very strong test side. But I hopefully India will do really, really well against Bangladesh.
Suresh, we're here for the Legends League. How excited are you? We are looking forward to the finals in Kashmir as well. So excited about that?
Absolutely. It's been amazing. Good to be back in Legend cricket. I think it's happening in Kashmir after 40 years. My dad used to work in army. He's from there. I'm sure a lot of fans will be there. And having Rishabh, having Shikhar Dhawan and Dinesh Karthik back in Legend. I think they just both retired. And I played with Robin, Raidu, Shikhar, Dinesh Karthik. We played the World Cup together. So it's going to be amazing to play matches in Surat, Jammu and Kashmir and Jodhpur.